Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all really enjoying Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be doing a really simple set of gel polish nails on my lovely client here. This is actually a friend of mine, and I'm using the Gelux range, and I'm just putting the Gelux base coat down first. I have already done a usual prep, so I've already done like push back the cuticle, dehydrate and primed. I know some people don't bother to do that when they're just doing a gel polish, but I just want to do whatever I can to make this like stick as well as possible, so that is what I did. Because this is such a simple set, I thought I would leave both hands in for you guys. I have sped it up so it's not going to be like really long and boring, hopefully, but I am going to just let you guys watch for most of this. There's not really that much for me to say. I just thought this would be a nice, relaxing video. If you're anything like me, then you will love to just sit and watch nail videos, so that's what this is. So this is quite a Christmassy set. I've used, I think, either 2 or 3 different reds. For some reason I didn't bother to show what reds I was using. I don't know why, but I'm really sorry about that. But I've done this pinky nail here is just a plain red nail, and then the ring finger is going to be a gorgeous glitter red. So this is from the Fairy Glow collection. You guys might remember I did a swatch video on this like last year, I think it was. And the set are just from Amazon, but they have some really nice glitters in them. And then this one is going to be a marble, of course. We did use the 2 different reds for this, but unfortunately they were just too similar that you couldn't really pick out the marble, if that makes sense. It would have been better if we'd have had like a black or a white in with it maybe, or I don't know, but you couldn't really pick apart the marble colours when it was together. But it still looks good, just not that marbly. So all I'm doing is placing the reds on the nail where I want them, and then using this artisty brush thing to like swish the colours together. And then going to go on to the pointer finger, and that is just going to be the darker red that we're going to use on there. And we're also going to use that same red on the thumbnail. The thumbnail is going to be a glitter fade nail, but we're just going to do a couple of coats of the red before we go in with the glitter, and it looks so nice. I just love glitter fade nails. I think I might have to do that for my next Christmassy set that I do for myself. So I will just let you guys chill and watch me do the next hand. It's just the same as the other one. I then came in and I did another coat on all of the nails apart from the marble one. Obviously, because it was a marble, I kind of couldn't do another coat on that one. So I did do another coat on all of the other nails, and then we will be going in afterwards to do the glitter fade. So I did cure before I came in with the glitter, but I'm now just going to go in with the same red glitter that we used on the ring finger. And then I'm just going to take that from the tip of the nail and kind of like halfway down the nail, pretty much. And I'm then going to go in with my art brush and I'm going to sort of kind of just fade the glitter up the nail basically. It's really, really easy, and this technique is really easy to do, but it gives you, it does give you control over where you put in the glitter, which I just loved. And I really liked the way it looked. So I'm just going to show you this little clip here. We did go in with a little bit of the glitter because we wanted to see if it would add to the marble. But in the end we decided that we just thought, nah, it looks better without the glitter on. So we just wiped the glitter off, and then I'm going to go in with my Chiara Sky No Wipe top coat, and I'm going to top coat the nails. So I did want to ask you guys your opinion on these types of nail videos. Like, obviously I do acrylic videos and I do more fun and more like complicated and difficult videos, but I want to know whether you guys also want to see these kinds of videos where it's just like a simple gel polish. I have had quite a few, like when it's like clients, mainly all that my clients want is just like a gel polish. So it might be like an acrylic overlay or even extensions, but it's going to be pretty much just extensions and then some gel polish on top. I am going to try and get people to have more like funky things, but obviously it's what they want. So my question is, do you guys want to see if it's just a simple gel polish video? Or would you rather me not bother filming those ones and just showing you the more interesting and complicated acrylic videos? I've had a couple of clients over the past week who've just had a simple gel polish, so I didn't bother filming it and I wasn't sure like what you guys were thinking, so please do let me know in the comments down below. But that is basically it for this set. I've just gone over and top coated them all. I'm then gonna come in with my lovely almond cuticle oil and just apply cuticle oil to all the nails, and yeah, that's basically it. So this is the finished result, you guys. It was nice and simple, but yeah, I think it was a nice effective look. Nice and Christmassy and quite glittery, and yeah, I really liked it. That is definitely my favourite nail, the glitter fade. I just love a good glitter fade. So leave me some comments down below whether you want to see more simple nail videos. And even just like art videos, because I know not everybody actually has acrylic nails and they just want to see like nail art videos. So please do let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. I hope you're as excited as I am for the rest of the videos to come. And I will see all of you lovely lot in my next video. Bye!